Hello everyone. So today we're going to discuss about concatenation of list. So what are the different methods to concatenate two lists? Okay. So in order to concatenate two lists, so the operator which we use is plus. Okay. So in order to add two numbers or in order to add two floating point numbers, so we used plus. Now how come it is used to concatenate two lists? Okay. So if you see. So if you see print 20 plus 30. So what do I get? I get 50. Now, if I say print ABC, so I get ABCDE. So how is it possible? So in the previous case, it added two numbers. Now in this case, it concatenated two numbers. So here the same operator plus. So one is used for addition. So when both are integers or floating point numbers. So when both are strings, it is used for concatenation. So the same thing applies for list as well. So how to concatenate two lists? For example, so if I have list 1 equal to something, list 2 equal to something, so list 1 plus list 2 and printing that, so we'll get a concatenation of two lists. Okay, so here plus operator acts as the concatenation of two different lists. Okay, so let's see that. Okay, so list 1 equal to, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now list 2 equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now combined list equal to, so simply I will say list 1 plus list 2. Okay, so now 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 will add to the add after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 will come after 5. So if you concatenate this, if you want to print this, print so what do you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So we can also take different data types and we'll see whether it works or not. So 1 comma 2.5 comma Raj comma true comma 2 plus 3j. Okay, so if you see this, if you say 3 comma false comma u comma, okay, 3 plus 5j. Okay, so if we concatenate this, so it will add to the end of the first list. Okay, so there is no problem with this. Okay, so this is concatenation, so using plus. So we have different ways to concatenate lists. Okay, so we'll see the possible ways to concatenate two lists. The first one is using naive method. Okay, so in this method we traverse the second list and keep appending elements in the first list. Okay, so what do we do here? We traverse the second list and keep appending elements in the first list, so that first list would have all the elements in both lists and hence would perform the append. Okay, so if you see the example here, so a equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, b equal to 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 2. Now we need to traverse in the second list. So what is the second list here? B. So for I in B, and we need to append that to the elements present in the second list to the first. So we are appending. So a dot. So a is the first list. Okay. So a dot append of I. So why? Because I traverses to the entire list with indices. Okay. So if you see this example, a equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay. B equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So for I in B, okay. So for I in B, A dot append of I. Okay, so A dot append of I. So next, what are we doing? We are printing print after concatenation, comma str of, okay. So concatenation plus str of A. So if you see this, so after concatenation, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 will be appended to the first one. Okay, that means the first method is we are traversing into the second list, and we are appending that second list to the first list. Okay, so A dot append like this. So this is the first method. So coming to the method 2, using plus operator. Okay, so that's what we already discussed in the first example. So the most conventional method to perform the list concatenation is the use of plus operator. Can easily add the whole of one list behind the other list and hence perform the concatenation. Okay, so that's what we already did. List 1 list 2 equal to, so combined list equal to list 1 plus list 2, and we can concatenate. Okay, this is the method 2. Coming to the method 3, using extend. So extend is the function extended by the list in Python, and hence can be used to perform this task. This function performs the in-place extension of the first list. Okay, so if we have A one list and if you have B equal to one list, so A dot extend of B. So that means the B will be appended, okay, extended to the list A. Okay, so simply saying A dot extend of B. Okay, so what do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, right. So this is method 3 using extend. And the next one is using star operator. So using star operator, this method is a new addition to the list concatenation and works only in Python 3.6 plus. So after Python versions 3.6 and 3.6 plus, like 3.7, 3.6.5, 3.7, 3.8. So now we're currently working on 3.8. Okay, so versions 3.6 plus, it works. So any number of lists can be concatenated and returned in a new list using the operator. So here I have A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B equal to this one. If I say C equal to star A comma star B. Okay, so here I am assigning it to C, and here I can concatenate any number of lists. Okay, so if I have A, B, C equal to, okay, so I can take D equal to star A comma star B comma star C. Okay, well, let's see. C equal to star A comma star B. Okay, so what do I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let me take C also. So C equal to 1 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7. Okay, so now let me take D equal to, so star A comma star B comma star C. Okay, so I will print D. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 4, 5, 6, 7 is also appended. So concatenated. So in this way, we have method 4 also using star operator. We can concatenate any number of lists using this star operator. Okay. So and the next is basic operations on list. So list respond to the plus and star operators much like strings. They mean concatenation and repetition here too. So except that the result is a new list, not a string. So here while performing some basic operations on list, so it will the result will be list, not a string. Okay, so for example, if you have length of 1 comma 2 comma 3, so what it will be? It will be 3. So this is length. So if you say 1 comma 2 comma 3 plus 4 comma 5 comma 6, it is not addition, it is concatenation. So if you say high into 4, so let's so print. Okay, so if you say Praveen into 4. Okay. So if you see how many times it is printed here, how many times it is repeated? 4 times. Praveen, 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 and Praveen. Okay. So here star operator is not multiplication. Okay. So star operation is repetition, and we'll get a new list. So what is our new list here? With 4 Praveen. So Praveen, 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 Praveen. Okay. So next is 3 in. So we have membership. So what is membership? We have in, not in. So for example, if I say print 2 in 1, 2, 3. So what do we get? So whether 2 is present in this list or not. If it is present, we'll get true. So print true. So if we say not in, so not in the sense, but actually 2 is present in the list. So if we say not in, it will result in false. False. For example, why we got false here? Why? Because 2 is present in the list. So for example, if we say 4 not in, so 4 is really not present in the list. Now we'll get true. True. Okay. So if we say 1 not in, why? Because 1 is present in the list. So if we say 1 not in list, it will throw false. Okay. So this is membership. Membership. Next is iteration. So if I say for x in 1, 2, 3, print x, so it prints all the elements present inside the list. Okay. So this is iterating on the list. So for var in iterable. Okay. So for x in, if I say list 1. Okay. So for example, if I have 10 elements inside a list, so it iterates through the 10 elements inside the list. So here var, it takes items from iterable one by one. So it's a collection of objects like list, tuple, etc. So it strictly follows the indentation. Okay. So here, if you take an example, list equal to 10, list equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 for LE in list. Okay. For element in list, print LE. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 is printed. So if you take another list for I in range of length of, okay. So list 1 of I. So it prints the every index. So 0th index, first index, second index, third index, fourth index, fifth index, like that. So again, we'll get the same output here. So either way, we can iterate through the list. Okay. So this is all about concatenation of list and how it iterates through the how iteration happens through the list, how iterating on the list. Okay. So I hope you understood today's topic, and in our next class we'll discuss about list comprehension, and so list comprehension and examples on list comprehension, and later on list built-in functions. So we have total 13 built-in functions or list built-in functions or methods. Okay, so we have total 13. We'll explain each and every one with examples. Okay, so in our next video we'll discuss about list comprehension and list built-in functions. So I hope you understood today's topic. The people who are watching my channel for the first time, I request you to please subscribe my channel, and please share my videos to your friends and well-wishers, and please support my channel in all possible ways. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.